So the overall market direction is bullish. So this drop from 72. All right. So price right now 66, right? We believe that the price is gonna test the high 72, and it's gonna break it, and it's gonna continue going to 82. Okay, 10 points. So what we believe is gonna happen. All right. So a um, we have a sideways action uh, wave, right? The high is 72, and the low, ladies and gentlemen, is 52, right? The volatility gave us this wide range, 20 point, 20 point range, right? Okay. I'm not expecting 51 to be taken anytime soon. That's not gonna happen. All right. If it is, then we'll change hats and then well, it's Friday, long weekend. So all right, it's not gonna be easy. Okay, let's see. All righty. So long term. Okay. All right, what is that? 70. Wow, bada bing, bada boom. We're going to we're gonna bring up 72. We're gonna bring it up 2 points to 74. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. All right. So price just goes to our 66 support, and the forecast is that the price is gonna go test the high. Of course, yeah, there's two highs here. Of course, that's simple. We have the conventional technical analyst 71 quarter, but our high is 74. All right, so I'm expecting the price to go test 71, take it all the way to 74. Shenanigans. The open is coming pretty soon, and then it's gonna take 74, and I'm expecting a continuation all the way to 82, just like I said at 9 a.m. when I opened the mic. Okay. Alrighty, so 66, right? Long from 66 all the way to 71, 5 points. 72 is going to be this and that. Righty? Okay, so we are expecting, like I said, test of this high, break it, of course, 74, a little bit of shenanigans here. Then we have a strong support. Strong support. We have our wave support here at this little pivot lows. This is not a swing low. This 66, all right? It's a pivot low, so it's not as strong. However, we have the overall market direction bullish, and we're expecting continuation to 82. How long is it gonna take? We'll see. The open is coming, and this is a 3 day long weekend. Monday is a major holiday here in the U.S., so markets are not gonna be open on Monday, right? So everybody's gone already, but you guys and I and us. Okay, so that predetermined pivot target one. It's a 3 point range, 79.82. Okay, 79.82, and we have another one. Okay, we have another one, another resistance 93. Okay, so these are the levels that we're going to be paying attention. Overall market direction is bullish, as we set it right here at 9 a.m. Okay, 66 hour entry, 66 holding. I'm gonna repeat everything again. Everything is recorded. I was expecting the price to test the high, this conventional technical analysis high, 71 quarter. Take it, shenanigans here to 74. Eventually take it to go to 79.82 and then 93. That's what we have so far. All right, that's what we have so far. And of course, anything can change any second. We know that these are resistances, right? So, what do we want to see? Of course, we want to see a clean through break, cut like butter, right? That's not the way the market moves sometimes, all right? So, let's go ahead and start watching everything that is going to happen now. All right, time right now 9:22, 8 minutes to the open. Alrighty then, so I'm expecting our entry loan 66 to hold a clean break of 66. Then let's see, clean break to the downside of our entry loan 66. Then let's see what is the market looking to do. All right. Okay. We're gonna we're gonna we're gonna bring we're gonna bring that to 64. Alrighty. Okay, that's a level of interest. 64 now. All right. So our this little pivot low 65 is right, and our entry loan 66. I'm expecting a bounce off of 65, right? Okay, so the real level now is 64. A clean break of 64. Then we need to figure out if it has enough power to take it all the way to 55. 69. All right, bulls. We want the price to be above 69. Okay. All right. As long as the price is below 69, the bears have a little bit of a control right here. So consolidation, right? 64, 69. Okay. All right. So our 65, 64 holding. Remember, we want the price to be above 69 for us to feel comfortable that there's gonna be follow through. Alrighty. Okay. Okay. Price right now 68, and we have an odd enhancer that 64 is actually gonna hold, and the price is gonna take this 69. Right. Look at 69, just stopping the price from going, right? Bears, they decided that they want to short here, 69. What can I say, right? So somebody's gonna win like always, and then we have 64, and they have 69. This is the open, taking 69 nicely, right? So from 66 to 72, that's gonna be 6 points, a little bit of shenanigans. Everything that I said at 9 a.m. this morning since I opened the mic. All right, so we do have a new rotation, but it didn't change the forecast. All right, so let's go 74, and of course a clean break of this low right here, 64, invalidates our short-term play long 66, right? This one right here, the same low that everybody has, right? We have that one as well. Okay, so taking 72 nicely, right? So 74 is gonna give us 8 points, and that's 74 to the tick mistake. Correct me if I'm wrong. Are we taking 74? Yes, it is, right? All right. So are we on the right side of the engine? We sure are. It looks like it, right? Yes. Okay, so far so good. Watch it, we're not out of the woods, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. So price goes to 76. Yeah. Okay, that's what 76. So let's call it 77. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. we remain bullish. So we're taking advantage of this pullback that is going to our support become resistance, resistance become support. A clean break of 64 invalidates our short-term bullish setup, and then if we believe that the price that this pullback is going to continue going and it's going to break below, then we would have been short here already. We're not, because we still believe that the overall market direction, the price is going to do what we said half an hour ago. Price is going to do. So once again, look at it, right? I just told you we're going to take advantage of this pullback from 77 all the way to 69. And the reason it's going up, bouncing off of 69 is because you guys went long 69 because I told you to go long right here at this support. Alrighty. Adding to a winner or establishing a new position, because when price goes all the way to 76 and it comes right back down, it takes your trail and you get out, maybe not. And then we are doing both. Adding to a winner, 69, or for those of you who are all in, all out, you love scalping, you make, look at that, from 66 to 76, you make 10 points, right, in a couple of minutes. You are all in, all out, make 10 points, price comes right back down, you are all in again, 69. And as long as I continue saying that we want to remain bullish, that's exactly what we're going to do. All right? Are we out of the wood, mistake? Of course not. This thing can go back to 69 right away. We never let a winner turn into a loser. We get the hell out of that 69, and then we, unless I tell you otherwise, and then we build back better right here again, expecting the price to eventually go to 79.82, just like I said this morning at 9 a.m. In other words, at 9 a.m., we already knew that all of this were the odds that this is how the chart was going to look like. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So trading 101, right? We take our levels of resistance, and then it becomes support, and we are on our way to 79, right, mistake? That's 77 T. So we're gonna call it 78. So we're really gonna pay attention to these 79, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So if I give you a range, 79, 82, don't underestimate the power of resistance of the lower level of our 3-point range. Okay, I believe that's 79, mistake to the tick, isn't it? 79 to the tick. Okay, all right. So what do we want? We want the price to destroy 79, right? That's gonna give us confidence that we are on the right side of the angel, and we're gonna get our 82. Right? 82, target 1, right? Yeah. 82 minus 66, how many points is that? That's 16-point mistake. Nice. Right? From our original 66 and 13 points from the add to a winner 69. Okay. And this is target 1. All right, so in other words, ladies and gentlemen, hardly ever I tell you that the overall market direction is bullish, right? Are you kidding me? If the overall market direction is bullshit, what do you think we're gonna do? Do you think we're gonna let the smart money check us out? That's not gonna happen. All right, boom, 82. So that's plus 16 points, and nicely, right? Okay. So remember what I told you. The overall market direction is bullish. So we're gonna think twice before we are going to counter trend short any resistance, because it's totally different than the other 80% of the time when the overall market direction is sideways. Not today. Today is bullish, right? Okay, so what is the other one? Ah, here it is, 93, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we're going to let it ride to 93, which is our target 2. Okay? All right, 93, right? That's pretty good. And we're pretty much done for the day. Oh, no. It looks like this is going to be an early Friday, huh, Mystique?
It looks like we're going to be going to the mountains like Bimsy.
All right, so you're ready to get out of here?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it then. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, so let's do 93. It's another predetermined pivot resistance that I gave an hour ago. Let's go for it. All righty. Okay, it is 93, and we just 86. Let's see what's gonna happen now. So, in other words, ladies, you know how much, you know how much.
You sure?
All right. Testing, testing, testing. Is this sound okay? Yes, yes, it is. All right. So, all right. So, ladies and gentlemen, you know how much traders, Goldman Sachs, and Deutsche Bank, you know how much TC, you know how much regular traders would give to know the overall market direction when it's sideways and when it's bullish, right? We knew at 9 a.m., 45 minutes ago, all of this, right? And we knew it because we know the future. Let me say that again. We know the odds as to what's going to happen in the future. Remember, we trade what we believe, we trade what we think, and we also trade what we see, like regular traders. So having that edge of knowing if we're gonna have a trending day and which way it's gonna go. You know how much that is worth, Mister? You know how much traders will give to have that information?
They would give anything.
Exactly. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, support beacon radio is a beacon support. Nice taking of our target 182. Okay, and now we are on our way to 93. So that's from the low of the 3 point range, right? 79. Exactly. All righty then. All right, it's 87 right here. We need to figure out how strong is he gonna be. All right, so all right, because we don't know yet. Okay, all right. If it's really really strong, which we don't know yet, it doesn't matter. How many points we have already? We stayed from 88 to 66, 21 points, right?
To 87, 21 points.
All right, 21 points. So let's watch it. Okay. Okay, so remember 79. 79 is the low of our target one, right? Okay, and we want to write it all the way to 93. So we are analyzing this 87 to see if price is actually this all was a squeeze of the bears or a bull trot, right? We don't think so. We think it's real and it's gonna continue. Target one achieved, and now we are on our way to target two. Right? Unless I tell you otherwise. Is it gonna go to 93 mistake and a straight line?
Most
Right?
likely not.
Mostly no, right? Think about it. 93 minus 66, that's 27 points. Is the market gonna move 27 points without a little bit of an ebb and flow, right? A little dancing, around our levels of support and resistance. Mistake, what do you think?
Absolutely.
All right,
Ebb
man.
and flow.
Exactly. We're gonna respect this uptrend. Yeah, everybody can see the uptrend, right? Everybody can see it. All right, then. So, okay, so we have a little bit here of a of a narrow. Okay, It went from parabolic to those.
Not so much.
Yeah, good. All right. It's not even a tight tube. It's in between a tight tube and a broadband. But it's okay as long as the price is not taking our resistances. We're good. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So on our way to 93, and guess what? 93 just became a range target. 93, 96. All right, so that's target two. So pretty much the same structure that we have for target one, target two. All right. So price is going, and then it breaks structure, but not really because it breaks structure for the novice, for the new trader. For the I hate to say it, but for the teenagers on YouTube, they have no clue what's really going on, and it breaks structure. It goes all the way to 80. It makes them believe that it's done going up. They go short right here, 82, and then the smart money spring the price all the way to 90 to destroy and to their accounts. It's exactly what's happening right now. We, on the other hand, that's the difference between professional traders and the novice, and the retail trader that's still trying to learn, right? But it's not our fault that 99% of traders don't make it, right? The reason they don't make it is because of this. They all had to stop right there at 88. What do you think smart money was gonna do? Take all their stops, 88, 88, 88 quarter, 88 half, all the way to 90 half. Right? Okay. All right, so remember what I told you this morning. Is today the day that we're gonna go to 200, right? So let's go ahead and put it here. We're pretty close, right? The high of the range of our target two is 96. Come on, 96, 200. That's pretty close, isn't it? All right, so let's watch it. With our system, right? So those of you who showed up today, being a Friday, right? Long weekend, 3 days weekend. Monday, market is not open, and yet you still showed up. Those of you who showed up, you're right. I take my hat off of you, my friends. All right, pretty good. You guys are true trade like me. No matter what, you're gonna show up. We never know when the market's gonna move in harmony with our system, and we're gonna make 20, 30, 40 points. Breezy, easy breezy. Here I go with the easy breezy.
Breezy.
Let's keep it up on a breezy action, right? We know that there's nothing easy about it. What's the only thing that is easy about the market? Mistake?
Losing money.
That's right. That's the only thing that is easy. So, anyway, so hang in there.
92 half.
92 half. Alrighty then. Okay, so let's go ahead and right. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and move 92.75. That's one tick to our target two.
Correct.
We think that all the teenagers went short right here at 72.
Because they don't have you.
Yeah, because they just learned that an area of right area of supply, right? They just learned that
Terminology.
that terminology. All right, and okay, all right, here we go.
93 half.
All righty, okay, so we can see here what's going on, right? Right, ladies and gentlemen, 93, right, 90, 93, 96, okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're not remember the overall market direction is bullish. So taking a counter trend short in at our levels, it's not high probability like it usually is. All right. Okay. We have to be careful. We don't want to do the same thing that the teenagers on YouTube, those who claim they're big shot traders, did, right? They saw 72 is an area of supply and they shorted and they're adding to a loser, adding to a loser, adding to a loser, and their accounts is destroyed. They have no idea, you know, of the future of the trend. So the how many points again, Mystique? How many points? 27.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we're up 27 points, and stop break even, start trailing. We know our levels of support, and it's just a matter of confidence, courage, strength, belief, and overall discipline. Without discipline, nothing happens. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 95, right? So pretty much a little bit above the mid range, but we are in an overall market direction,
96.
bullish, right? So it's 90, 96 half. So officially hit, uh, right? Officially hit target two. Officially hit target two, right? We know 200 is right there, right? Around the corner. What is that? 3.5 points. However, this is a, our CTC level of resistance target two. Alrighty. So the reason is target two is because we're not expecting the price to take it easy, right? But we know that 200 is right there. All right, and we are in a tight to uptrend that we said this morning. You see, today the day that we're gonna go to 200. Whatever, it doesn't matter. We have to stop, break even, start trailing, right? We're gonna ride it, even if it wants to go to 300. We'll make 150 points today, as long as the price doesn't take us out. Then we're gonna ride this baby. Okay, that's pretty much what it is. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, approaching our 200, right? 200, which is still part of target 3, of course, right? Just like I told you, so close to our 96. It's a psychological level. Everybody knows this thing is going to 200. Even the teenagers. Bada boom. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and lock here 202. All right, I mean, yeah, sure, of course. Look at the way to 200, right? Why do you think that happened? Smart money knows that the teenagers on YouTube, they all have a short 200, and they want to continue destroying them, and that's why it took it like this all the way to look at this 2.5 points. It took all the stops of the novice, right? It's exactly what happened. We are only on target two, right? So we do want to lock here 202 target two, right? To we can see it. There's no reason to be all out, and we still are looking for target three. All right, let me see where it is. Okay, if you're you know that the taking of 200 this way, what does that make 200? So poor, right? Okay, so those of you who are strong, then uh, let's play with these 3 points here, 200, 203, right? Okay, but officially here at Capital Trade Center, we are out target 2, 200, 203. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I just Goldman Sachs just called me, and they told me that they want to continue taking the price up all the way to 10, to 10. All right, so that's a target three for today. This is target three, and all right, let's. It's a temporary, right? Because we nail an uptrend. So as long as the price doesn't take us out, why are we gonna get all out? All right. However, we do have now official target three. But remember, the market is dynamic, it's changing all the time. Targets, entry, support, resistance, area of supply, area of demand, right? Uptrend, downtrend, structure. Everything is changing all the time. Our job is to change with it. Okay? All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. And that's 05, pretty good. Right, so that's 775. We're gonna call it 08. So we want two more points to our target three. How many points?
42.
42. We're up 42 points.
Yeah.
All right, and we want two more points. So we want 44, 45 points for today for this trade alone. Morning is young. All right, that's 2,200 bucks on one contract only.
That's
The
right.
45 points that we made today.
That's right.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like we're going to reach our target three, right? It's 9 quarter, and I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that this is right 10, little over 10, and I'm expecting. Uh, this is a beautiful uptrend, right? We just made what 45 points. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, so this is our unit number three, right? And we can see the way it's going, right? So you have the option to get out here or risk a little bit, right? And just do the same thing that all the teenagers on YouTube learn on their bogus courses, and have a stop right here at the at the usual at the obvious downtrend, right? So now, there are some traders that are more scalpers, and they just do it on the low of the previous candle. All right, whatever. You know, you know that here 10, 11, it's our level of that high probability of locking target three, right? Okay, and right, so this is unit number three, and it's Friday. That doesn't mean that this thing is not gonna continue going up. Depending on your position size, you don't have to be all out, right? Because I'm expecting a continuation still all the way uh, to 19. All right, 19. Is it 19? Let me see. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, somewhere around there. Okay, so as long as the price doesn't take your trail, let it ride. All right. So, right. So price goes to 10. Right. This is target three, official. Right. We're out official target three, and I just I just gave you strategy. All right. So enjoy it. Look at what happened. Right. Because remember, target three, it's such resistance that we are counter trend short. Of course, we all know that, right? We're short right here. Okay, don't don't let it go. Recuperate. Test the high 12 because we know that a break of 12 is gonna go to 15. Alrighty. Okay, so don't for the counter trend so that so that we make a couple of bucks on the main play, and now let's go ahead and manage the counter trend short. We know 200 is support, but what do you think is going to happen now? Price is gonna lip up and down here. 15, 200, 215, 15, 200, 215. Have fun. If you still gonna continue trading for the rest of this session, the morning and the day and the afternoon, then manage this counter trend short that we are right here. Who knows? We might make 45 points on the way down also. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So that's gonna do it for me. Time right now, 10:45. We like to make in 2 hours what most people make in 2 months, and it's just a matter now of continue doing everything that I teach you here every single day. Do all the strategies that we do, all the tactics, and be disciplined. And remember, if you're gonna follow somebody, you make sure that they read the market to you like this, live, real time, as is happening. Otherwise, because if it's not like this, live, real time, as it's happening, it's not real. All right? No junk after the fact, right? This is gonna be a recording, and I'm gonna post this recording on YouTube. All right. When people watch it on YouTube, it's not as it's happening anymore. It already happened. Right now is as it's happening, right? So all these fake gurus out there on YouTube, and all these kids and all the girls and all these boys that are claiming to be big time shot trader, they're gonna educate you after the fact. So it's not live, it's not real. See you all on Tuesday.